Alrighty. So what I did was paste the contents of the other script manually. And I modified the code, and after some tweaks, I've got it to work. But the tents are in the line of the windmill. And moving the windmill is going to be a pain. So what I'm going to do is I'll try and move the tents or the habitat. Uh, So this was minus 25. I need to move it. This is the x-axis. I need to move it on the y-axis. So I want to move it here. Right? Yeah, I want to move it on the y-axis. So this is x, y, and z. And where do it? Yeah, I don't know. This doesn't have to be perfect right now. So I just want to move the y-axis. So I'm gonna say, whoops, 5, 5, 5, 5. That's it. Yeah. Go here, reload. Not throwing in errors. That's not okay. In that case, also save here. Yep. Sometimes it gets, I don't know if it's the code or that it's loading everything in memory. But I don't see the point in saving in Blender when I've got the file saved elsewhere. Is This is my second day on Blender, so on third. Well, all right, that's loaded. Magic. Ah, that worked. Yeah, like I said, it just gets it goes over bonkers sometimes when it's pulling everything in. So we got the windmill here. The vortex. So we want, so now we want, so this is the x-axis now. And what does the code look like? Code says -25. So it's moving up here. Uh, yeah, so that's good. So now this one is synchronizing with the size. I still don't know how to navigate. I guess I should learn. I need to do this. I need to have the focus going here. So if I do now, let's do one thing. So, um, so we want, yeah, I want it to be more farther away on the x-axis, right? So x, y, z, so -5. This is -25, so it's way over here. So that's how it's gonna happen. -35, 25, and 20, 15. So this one, this, closer, this Denver, something broke. That's why it's not 35, 5. One, two, five. Why is it not stop Blender being glitchy? Storage. Well, it's still equals to storage can be very so let's see. Audio access. This is 5, this would be 10, this would be 15, 1, 51st, just in case something happens to and somewhere one keeps going glitchy. Did not do oh, that's it. I saved why is it not on? Glitchy. And so we started um, quick down say it was a computer, not this company. Not cooperating right now. Yeah, I can stop it.